Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you would like to fix your Discord stuck on starting, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, launch your Discord app, get logged into your account, and then click on this gear icon that is also called User Settings. As it is so, scroll all the way below and here click on Windows Settings. Once done, you will see System Startup Behavior. Make sure that you untoggle this. If you untoggle this, your Discord will not open automatically once you restart your computer, and this is exactly what we want. Once it is so, minimize your Discord window, come below at the search bar, then type in Task Manager. Open your Task Manager. In here, click on this Startup Apps, and likewise, click on Discord, that is Update for me, and make sure the status is set to disabled. Right-click onto it, and then if it's enabled, click on Disabled. Now, once it is so, you have to restart your device, launch your Discord, and this shall work.